Hello everyone. As you can guess, today we are having another suspension repair video. What do we have here? Here's a faulty bushing of the control arm. As you can see, it's cracked. And makes noises. And today I will try to replace it. To replace it, I have to move the hub out of the way a little bit, so I have to undo the steering rod, this bolt. I have to undo the lower bushing of the control arm and undo this bolt of that control arm, and of course I have to release the anti-roll bar, this bolt. So let's start. Now when the car is jacked up, I have to raise the wheel hub, so I have to lower the suspension to the lowest position. At last I managed to remove this ugly bolt. I had to, as I said, release the steering control arm, control rod, and roll bar rod. Then I had to remove the pressure line from the shock absorber from the hydro cylinder in order to raise the hub up, and then I moved as much as I could to the left, and it's now rammed on this tube. Whew. Now there's only 2 bolts holding it. That's it. Well, it's not that bad, but it's possible that it's bumping. The housing, the inner part, the axle was bumping to the housing already, to the both sides. I've forgotten to place that plate, that cover, because when I was removing it, it flew off straight into the bin. I didn't even notice that it went to the bin. So now it's on. I'm starting again. Yeah, it will be okay. It's right in the place where it should be, as you can see. Of course, it's not that nice as it was from the new. So let's put it back into the car. This bolt I will tighten when the car will be on the normal position in order not to damage the bushing. Okay, now we have to put the wheel back on, place it into normal position, and tighten the lower bushing. This one. And car will be ready. Oh, no, not to forget, place the bolt and tighten the pressure line.